Hello everyone, my name is Olga Van Light and today I would like to unbox a Treadmill by CITYSPORTS. And what I just did, I just cut these white pieces, and right now I'm just going to see what's inside. And wow, it is super portable looking. Right here I can actually see the instructional manual. And yes, also one tool, so we'll see what is it for. And right here is your styrofoam protection. And let's see, here it is. It looks super sleek, and I would say it definitely looks like something I would probably use every day. And here is your remote control that you might have noticed right here. I'm not sure if it's on or off or what I should do with it, right? Probably something like this. Yeah, so we'll see if I turn it on just by taking the plastic out. And yes, so let's see. Let's see if I, on my own, can take it out of the box. And it looks like I just did. All right. Okay. And yes, it actually has wheels in front. Okay, so I'm going to just switch it to do this. All right. Like this. Okay. All right. I can actually probably take it out myself. Yes. I just did. Okay. All right. And yes, what else is in the box, I believe, is the oil, because periodically you would have to add it into the device. But again, if you're a girl, you can absolutely do it on your own, because I don't think there's any special setup. And it says, please take off sticker and press the power button to start. And then there's warm tips. Please use the appropriate amount of lubrication oil and 5 milliliter. All right, guys, so here's your lubrication oil already included, so you do not have to worry about getting it. All right, let's take more plastic out. And again, it is super slick, and I feel that all of you will be able to appreciate it as well. And it's funny, it's kind of matching my outfit. And okay, so, and on a bag, as you can see, little wheels. So, and this is the plug. So to move it around, oh, I see. To move it around, guys, wow, it is super easy. It is a walk in the park. I didn't expect it to be so easy. All right, let's try to